Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you're a proud owner of an Apple Watch, then you know the struggle of keeping that beautiful display scratch-free and protected. But fear not, because I've got the perfect solution for you, the 5PCS Screen Protector Hydrogel Film for Apple Watch. This incredible screen protector is specifically designed for the Apple Watch 956 SE321 in 40mm, 44mm, 42mm, and 38mm sizes, so no matter which model you have, we've got you covered. The hydrogel film is ultra-thin and transparent, providing not only protection but also maintaining the original touch sensitivity and clarity of your watch screen. With 5 pieces included in each pack, you'll have plenty of spares to ensure your Apple Watch stays protected for a long time. The easy installation process means you won't have to deal with any annoying air bubbles or misalignments, and the film is also waterproof and oil-resistant, keeping your watch looking brand new for longer. So why should you invest in the 5PCS Screen Protector Hydrogel Film for Apple Watch? Well, simply put, it's the best way to ensure the longevity and pristine condition of your beloved Apple Watch. And the best part is, you can get yours right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't wait until it's too late. Protect your investment and keep your Apple Watch looking as good as the day you bought it. Hit that subscribe button and check out the link to get your hands on the 5PCS Screen Protector Hydrogel Film for Apple Watch today. Trust me, you won't regret it.